everyone! Today we're working on our Together Forever Heart Charm bracelet. This is a really fun piece. We're going to start off with a jump ring and our 2 heart charms. We're going to connect the 2 using the pliers in the jump ring. This is going to be the main part of your bracelet. You can close your jump ring with the pliers. Now that we've got our 2 heart charms connected, we can move on to the next part of attaching our toggle set to the chain. Again, we're going to use another jump ring to do so. Gently open your jump ring, and you're going to use the chain on either end that you've already pre-cut to fit. Attaching your chain to the jump ring can be a little challenging, but we all can do it. Once you've put the chain on the jump ring, you're now going to add one portion of the toggle set. Securely close the jump ring to make sure that the 2 pieces are attached. We're going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for the other portion of the chain, using the other half of the toggle set. One side done, one more to do. Again, use your jump ring, attach your chain to your toggle set. Now that you've got your toggle set completely attached to the chain, we can go ahead and connect our heart charms. We're going to get another jump ring on the opposite end of the chain, attach that portion, and now go ahead and grab your heart charm connectors. Attach the 2 together. This part's really easy. You're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other portion of the hearts. This completes your whole bracelet, giving you a finished piece. A Together Forever heart charm bracelet. Thanks for watching.